In this video, I'm going to go over DamnVulnerableIOSApp and how to set it up. DVIA is an open source application with the main purpose of providing a platform for mobile security enthusiasts, professionals, and students to test their iOS penetration skills. The app contains several challenges coupled with various articles on iOS security. Challenges include manipulating the Objective-C runtime to override code using swizzling, extracting sensitive data that is improperly stored, and binary patching. The main goal of this project is to increase developer awareness of common security pitfalls and how to avoid them. I'm going to cover 4 ways to get DVIA on your device so you can get started with your testing. Several of these methods will assume that your device is jailbroken. Even though it's possible to get DVIA installed on a stock device, the tools used for manipulation do require a jailbreak. The easiest way to get the app running is to download the source code from GitHub. There's a link available in the description. Once the download is complete, open up the Xcode workspace file, choose the simulator scheme you'd like, and run the app. It's possible to use runtime manipulation tools with the simulator as detailed in the presentation found in the description. Ideally though, we want to run the app on a device. We can compile the project from source code to run it on the device, which is the preferred method if you have a developer account, though they cost $99 a year. To do this, you'll have to navigate to the project settings under Targets, select your development team. If you haven't already done so, the process is pretty straightforward. Next, go to the build settings and pick your provisioning profile. There should be a wildcard profile available, though if there's not, you can go back to the General tab and choose Fix Issue. After plugging in your device, it should be available in the scheme selection. If not, you can fix this by going to Window, Organizer, and enabling development mode on the device. Next, you should run the app and you should see it open on your device. Another method to get DVIA on your device is to extract the application from the IPA and install it manually. First, download the IPA from the link in the description and install OpenSSH from Cydia on your iPhone. Then, once you've downloaded the IPA, right-click and open it using Archive Utility. This will give you a folder titled Payload. Inside, you'll see an application. This is what we want. We'll use SCP to copy the app over SSH. Copy the following command, substituting in your IP address. Next, SSH into the device. Obtain root privileges using SU. Next, we'll move the application to the Applications folder. The next step is to give DVIA the proper permissions. Next, exit so that we're mobile user again and call UI cache. After this is completed, you should see the DVIA app on your phone. If the icon doesn't appear on the springboard, either try running it again or reboot the device. The last method I'll share is one that should only be used as a last resort to the previous 2. It uses a utility called AppSync, which has been known to cause problems with devices in certain situations. Though AppSync has a reputation for cracked apps, I do not condone piracy. AppSync should only be used in a legitimate situation such as the following. In Cydia, add the repository we'll download AppSync from, found in the description, cydia.appaddict.org. In addition to OpenSSH, we'll need IPA installer console and AppSync. After installing all packages, make sure to reboot your device. After downloading the IPA from the link in the description, we'll copy it to the device using SCP like before. After the transfer has completed, we'll SSH into the device as mobile. Finally, we'll use the command install IPA to install the DVIA app.